Hey, what is up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to put the Elite strap on the MetaQuest Oculus 2. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. So you just bought your MetaQuest 2. It comes with the white band and a kind of foamy little surface thing. Personally, I thought at the beginning, I was like, well, I don't really need an Elite strap and this foam thing feels good. Why not use it? Well, I definitely recommend switching to, at least putting this on, because it's way easier to clean and it doesn't, and your sweat doesn't like absorb into the material. All right, let's get these out of the way. And first things first, you got to take this thing off. There we go. And then you have to take the strap off into that little slot thing right there. And then the speakers are right there. So what you do is you just pop it off, because this is like a plate on the thing. So you just kind of pop it off straight like that. And then once you have everything separated, go ahead and get these parts. I'm just gonna put it straight on. This shouldn't be that really hard to put it on. You just gotta wrap it around the entire thing. There we go. All good right there. There's gonna be a little bit of folds right there, but that just happens. And then this, I'm pretty sure, is for glasses. If you wear glasses, all you gotta do is just line it up and it just snaps in place just like that. And then back to the Elite strap, you just wanna slip it through there. It doesn't really matter where you put it for now, because we just gotta get it through so we can put that thing on. Pop this back into place. There we go. Boom, all good. And then you just have to pop these sidings back onto the speakers. There we go. And boom, now you got it. This thing in the back spins to adjust to your head. You can make it bigger, super small. Then you adjust this for your head shape to get it in the right position. And I've thought that the Elite, I think it's the Elite strap, right? I hope so. That's what I've been calling it. But I found it way more comfy than the white strap that it came with. And this kind of like silicone like covering over the material feels way better. And it just doesn't smell as bad. And yeah, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to go check out my others. I just do a bunch of tech reviews. I'm pretty sure I have a couple mics, some gaming stuff. And yeah, thanks for watching.